All right, guys, in this episode, we are going to go over some strategies on how to pay back the loan in a way that's painless and effortless for us, and also to go ahead and get a Bitcoin wallet that we can use to generate more Bitcoin. Let's get into it. All right, guys, in the previous episode, we moved funds over to the exchange and started buying Bitcoin with it. Okay. In this video, we're going to assess two different things. At this stage of the game, now that we have started buying cryptos, the next step, we'll either go this route or this route. So let's start looking here. The next step would actually be considering how we want to pay off that loan. Okay. And there are many ways to do this, guys. You can sit on some of the extra capital because when you transferred that US dollar amount to Coinbase, you can just as easily transfer that back to your bank account and then pay your monthly bill with it. So you can schedule out payments like that to pay monthly, or you can take your own money that you're earning each month and pay off that loan, making those payments each month. Or you can sit around, wait for the price to appreciate, meaning what? That means when you make payments on that $5,000 loan, you don't necessarily have to pay back the estimated amount of $350 a month. You might want to make a minimum payment, whatever that is, be it $20, $50, or whatever the case is, so you can anticipate Bitcoin's price appreciation. And historically, we are still in the season of a potential bull run for the remaining of the year. So now is a great time to be buying up Bitcoin for the price appreciation. And if we can acquire Bitcoin now at lower prices and the price shoots up, we'll be able to cash out on that Bitcoin, get more cash for it, and pay off that loan faster. Okay, and you can also evaluate your Bitcoin holdings over time, which is what we're going to get into as far as increasing your Bitcoin holdings outside of just buying it and holding it. Okay, so in that regard, we have our US dollars in the exchange, and one of the key things that I focused on in the previous video was that I did not go in and just buy Bitcoin straight out with all of my money. I staggered out payments so that I can catch dips in the price of Bitcoin. Okay, so it started picking up at 83,000. So if the price drops down to 82.5, it's going to pick up that one. If the price drops down to 82, it's going to pick up that one. And what this does, guys, number one, it gives me the ability to acquire more Bitcoin for less. And another thing it does is that I can walk away from this for a couple days, a few, or not even have to log in and just wait for Coinbase to send me an email to let me know if these buy orders triggered or not. So now that I've put all of these buy orders in place, the work is done, right? I don't have to trade every day, come out here and monitor it every day. So things are pretty much set. So I can go ahead and enjoy other aspects of my life. Okay. Nevertheless, if there is a price dip, and particularly if there's a flash crash where the price did something like this right here, dipped down and shot right back up, well, that's an excellent trading opportunity for me to cash out because the price would have dipped to 81,000, shot back up to 83,000, and whatever positions I purchased, I can either hold them or sell those at a profit. Meaning what? I could take that profit and use that profit to pay off my monthly payment on the credit card. Okay. So hopefully all of this is making sense and kind of giving you guys some ideas on why Bitcoin is a good investment. And number two, on strategies to use it, not just buy it and hold it, which is ultimately what you do want to do in some instances, but I have my other accounts where I'm just buying it and holding it. And then I have accounts where I actively trade it. Okay. And this is going to be one of the accounts where I actively trade it because I'm using $5,000 of other people's money and I'm going to pay that back, but I'm going to pay that back through the profits I earn from trading. And I'm also going to do it from the profits that I earn from the Bitcoin wallet. So the alternative route, after having completed what we've done here, is to get a Bitcoin wallet. Okay, so I have created a new email address that I'm going to use. And in order to get the Bitcoin wallet, just go to btcwallet.app, and I'll leave a link to that in the description, btcwallet.app. And this is going to take you to one of the registered wallets where you can use the wallet to start earning even more. Okay, so let's do a quick registration on this. If you need to verify, oh, let me not do it here because I actually need to be on a VPN. Let me go to this one here, btcwallet.app. Okay, and come down to register, and I'm going to register using a new wallet email address that I created here. What's that? Free cash to BTC. Well, there should be a way I can copy this here. Because I don't necessarily remember it, guys. That ain't copy it. I'm like, I'm gonna have to. Oh, that sucks. Okay. Free cash to BTC at proton.me. Free cash to BTC at proton.me. Now, of course, you're probably using an address that you're familiar with. I just created this one to use for these new accounts. RWHZHJ. Okay. So I'm going to just come out here and register for this wallet. And look to get this email at any given time. All right, get my confirmation code. Put it there, and the wallet is created here. Okay. All right, guys, now that I have my wallet, what I'm going to do is transfer $200 in Bitcoin to this wallet. Okay. And I'm going to do that from the Coinbase account. Now, keep in mind, when I sent the 4750 over yesterday, I did have already have $225 in the account, so I should be able to send out $200 from this today. Otherwise, if I just put in 5,000 yesterday, I think there's like a 6-day hold. I saw something like that where your money has to clear for 6 days before you're able to withdraw cryptos or withdraw cash. But it looks like Coinbase actually blocked all of my assets for the 6-day period while the fund clears. So I did try to come out to send Bitcoin, and so I click on my assets here. I have my Bitcoin positions here, and even though I had $225 worth of Bitcoin, I bought some yesterday, and it seems that 4750 deposit kind of blocked everything, because if I try to send Bitcoin here and come out to thing timed out. Let me go log in again. If you get a wallet and it logs you out, you can always go back to your email address. It should send you information about your wallet here. So it sends you the login details. I guess that's good to review real quick. And trust me, guys, I will be changing this password. All right. So I want to come out and get this wallet address here. And when I try to go into Coinbase to send that, it's saying that I do not have any Bitcoin available. Okay, so I will probably have to wait for 6 days or so before I can start sending out Bitcoin. But by that time, this full deposit would have cleared. So we will pick up on that in the next video. But in the meantime, I am going, just to save you guys some time from having to come out here and thinking that you're going to get into this wallet, is update my password. All right. How about that? So now you guys don't even have to go out and worry about trying to get it. All right, guys, we'll pause this video for now. We will jump back in the next episode with actually transferring those funds over from Coinbase to the Bitcoin wallet. And then after that, I'll show you how to hit the marketplace so you can start using your Bitcoin to earn more Bitcoin. All right, that's all I got for you for now, and we will holler on the next video. Peace out.